It's really early in the morning, but we have breakfast, and the movers will theoretically be here in 20 minutes, so we'll see. It is 9 a.m.-ish. The apartment is slightly more clean, but there are no movers here. We're doing good. I'm more awake.
All right, now we're recording. We woke up today at like 6 a.m.
Yes.
and all of our stuff was in our apartment.
Yes.
And we were in our apartment.
Yes.
And like there were 4 walls and a roof and a floor.
There were more than 4 walls, but yeah.
It's now, I don't know what time it is.
It's past midnight.
It's too late in the evening.
Yes.
We have no walls and no roof. You could count the ground as a floor.
We still have...
It's a tent. We're in a tent. The apartment is empty. We're in a tent. The car is full of everything that we're going to live off of for the next 2 months.
Yeah.
What's going to be cool, though, is when we wake up, we're going to look across the lake, and there's going to be a mountain.
It's not really a mountain, but you know.
It's right. It's a mountain.
It says it in the name, but...
We drove up, and you literally said, oh, look, there's a mountain.
Because Georgia is Georgia.
Oh, because Louisiana is famous for its high peaks, amazing summits.
Yes.
All right. I think it's time for bed.
Yeah.
It's time for bed.
I'm so sleepy.